Alright, that's the video I promised. VCDS is loading. I unplugged a lot of things during the day, and I had the ignition on a couple of times with the connectors unplugged, so it might actually register more codes than anticipated. Yeah. Left engine solenoid valve. That's because of fault frequency 3. That's strange. Right engine mount solenoid as well. Frequency 3. Cylinder 1. Cylinder 4. And random. Okay. Misfires 1. Yeah. 2, 3, and 4. There we go. Here are the misfires piling up, and the check engine light is flashing. This is a cold start, and I want to keep the engine cold, so I'm turning it off.